I can't write music. I don't know how to shoot and edit videos. I don't want to work tirelessly in a demanding job, but I have a strong desire to earn substantial income. How can I achieve that?
Just do it!
Now, if this sounds relatable to you, I highly recommend watching this video until the end. I'll be sharing a simple strategy that can help you achieve a monthly income in the 5-figure range. And the best part is, you won't need advanced skills or extensive knowledge, and there won't be any complicated tasks involved. I'll reveal all of the essential secrets to you. Today, I'll be discussing a straightforward 5-step strategy. By implementing this method to create your videos, you can build a successful channel where you'll earn between $6,000 and $12,000 per month. Are you interested? Then let's embark on our YouTube hacking journey together. Greetings everyone, my name is Mike Ross. I have 9 YouTube channels of my own, and they have reached a point where I earn more from them than I ever did from my regular job. It's truly remarkable to see the level of success that they have achieved. However, it pains me to witness how my acquaintances and friends exhaust themselves in their job. I observe their weariness and unhappiness when they come home, and it makes me wonder, why don't more people see this money-making opportunity that exists on YouTube? The truth is, you can earn a significant income by engaging simple activities on YouTube. Is it fear that holds people back, or is it that very few individuals are aware of effective strategies? Frankly, I struggle to comprehend why. And that is precisely why I took it upon myself to investigate further and created a channel where I share genuinely valuable and up-to-date information. If you're eager to grow alongside me and be at the forefront of the most effective and advanced earning strategies, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to learn about new methods and techniques that can boost your income. Together, we'll work toward achieving our financial goals. Are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Now, let's dive into the earnings of other channels that have implemented this strategy. To assess the profitability of this niche, we'll utilize socialblade.com. SocialBlade is an excellent tool for analyzing channel earnings. The first channel we found generates a monthly income up to $8,800, which is a promising figure. Moving on to the next channel, we see even better results with earnings reaching up to $11,900 per month. And finally, channel 3 has achieved an impressive income of $13,000. As you can see, these numbers demonstrate the potential of this strategy. Let me know in the comment section down below. What do you consider to be a desirable income? How much would you like to earn, or what level of profit do you find satisfactory? Now, get ready for something truly astounding. Brace yourself as we unveil a channel in this niche that is earning a jaw-dropping 63 grand per month. Yes, you heard that right, $63,000. It's an incredible achievement, isn't it? Just imagine the possibilities and opportunities that come with such a substantial income.
What are your superpowers again?
I'm rich.
And I'm ready to share all of my knowledge with you so you can experience and level up your own YouTube channel or build a successful business from a dozen channels like mine and start making real money online with YouTube. I've developed a unique method, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. But for now, don't waste any time. Subscribe to my channel to be the first to learn about the most profitable strategies for earning on YouTube. Great. Let's dive into the strategy step by step. Remember, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure that you're on the right track to earning real money. So let's begin. Step 1, selecting the music. To start, head over to the YouTube audio library. You can access it either by searching on Google or directly through your YouTube Creative Studio. To access it through your Creative Studio, click on the profile picture in the upper right corner, go to the studio, scroll down on the left, and click on the audio library icon. Now you're in the right place. The YouTube audio library is a collection of audio files, music, sound effects that you can use in your videos for free. Now, let's learn how to choose the right music for your channel. Here's what you need to do. In the mood column, select inspiration. In the attribution column, near the top right corner, choose not required. It's important to select not required to avoid any potential issues or video blocking. These settings will show you free audio files and music that you can use in your YouTube videos without any restrictions. Now, you can sort the audio files by genre. For relaxation and meditation videos, ambient is one of the most suitable genres. Take a moment to listen to a couple or 3 tracks. As you listen, ask yourself, does this track sound good? How about this one? Do you like this one? And so on. And once you find a suitable track, click the download button on the right-hand side and save the files to your device. Remember to repeat each step clearly and carefully, ensuring you don't miss anything. And by following these instructions, you're on your way to creating a relaxing and meditative video that can generate substantial income. Now you've started to understand how YouTube's library works. I would appreciate if you would give this information a like. Step 2, find the video. To find high-quality stock videos without copyright concerns, we'll use pixabay.com. Follow these instructions. Number 1, enter pixabay.com in the Google search box. This website offers a wide range of free stock images and videos, and you can use them without worrying about copyright infringement. Number 2, considering that other channels in this niche often feature videos with natural landscapes, return to Pixabay and type in a relevant keyword like ocean. Then select videos from the left-hand column, and you'll find a vast collection of different videos related to your search. Number 3, you can choose almost any video that suits your needs. For example, if you like a particular video file, click on it and it will open in a new window. Select the desired video quality. If you have sufficient storage space on your computer, it's recommended to choose the best quality to ensure crisp and beautiful images. Finally, click on download and the file will be saved on your computer. Number 4, repeat the process and download a few more similar video files. Aim for a maximum of 10 videos. This will provide you with a good variety for your channel. Also, don't miss my video where I reveal a secret strategy on how to earn between $30,000 and $100,000 per month by simply copying and pasting shorts. Subscribe to my channel and learn all of the tips and tricks on easy and effective money-making method. Step 3, choose a video editor. To combine the selected music composition with your stock videos, you'll need a video editor.
And we're gonna let you choose which one.
Choose a program compatible with your operating system. Here are some options. For computers, you can use the free video editing software called DaVinci Resolve. It is compatible with all systems and can be downloaded from the official website blackmagicdesign.com. For Macs, iMovie is a free video editing program that works well on editing on Mac computers. For mobile editing, if you prefer editing on your cell phone, you can use CapCut or VN apps. These apps are available for download on the App Store or Google Play, depending on whether you have an iPhone or Android device. By following these steps, you'll be well equipped to create captivating videos using the music and stock footage you've selected. Stay tuned for the upcoming video where I'll reveal the secret strategy of copying and pasting shorts to earn between $30,000 and $100,000 a month. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to learn all of the tips of this simple and effective money-making method. Great progress. Let's continue with the next steps. Step 4, create the final video. Open your chosen video editing software and import the audio and video files into the multimedia area. Make sure that there are no gaps between the files on the timeline to avoid any black screens during playback, which might confuse your YouTube viewers. Number 2, place the music track on the audio track directly below the video. If there's an empty space at the beginning of the audio file, trim it to ensure continuous music throughout the video. Number 3, play back the video to ensure everything is working as intended. Click the play button to preview your creation. You should hear the music, see the beautiful video, and feel a sense of relaxation. Number 4, loop the audio to create a longer video. Duplicate the audio track and align the files to create a seamless and continuous audio loop. Similarly, repeat this process with the video to extend its duration, allowing viewers to enjoy it for a longer time. By consistently uploading videos like this every day, you have the potential to surpass other channels featuring relaxing, meditative music.
And this'll all be mine?
Everything.
I understand that posting videos daily may seem like a lot of effort. However, the video creation process only takes an average of about 5 to 7 minutes, and you can leverage auto-publishing features. By working a few hours in one day, you can create content for an entire month, and then sit back and watch as your channel gradually earns up to $6,000. Remember, consistency and quality are key to growing your channel and attracting a dedicated audience. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I'll share more strategies to help you maximize your earnings on YouTube. You see how easy it is? That's why I believe YouTube is the best source for making money online. With my many years of experience on YouTube, I understand this 100%. Many people are afraid of YouTube, feeling less confident here than they'd like to. Questions pop up at every step and doubts start creeping in, like, I don't know anything, I don't understand, or I can't do this.
I just can't.
Of course, to reach your goal, you need a certain knowledge base and a strategy. That's why I've developed the YouTube automation system, where channels work for you and bring in passive income, making you a millionaire. Now, you don't need to spend a ton of time searching for scattered information on YouTube. You don't need to figure out what works and what doesn't. I've gathered everything you need to guide you step by step from channel creation to earning $10,000 or even $100,000 a month. This course is designed for those who don't have a channel yet and are just starting their YouTube journey, as well as for those who already have a channel but don't know how to start earning or how to increase their income. The link is in the description below this video. Join my Hack YouTube course and we'll get into detail about everything you need for a successful channel and making a profit of $10,000 a month on YouTube. We'll find the most profitable niche for you, break down monetization methods, create a channel management strategy for the next 3 months, uncover the most current video design life hacks, share a collection of secret content creation and quality improvement tools.
What do you need? Tools. Lots of tools.
And explain how YouTube algorithms work and how to hack them so your videos always end up in YouTube's recommendations. And by the end of the course, you'll have your very own monetized YouTube channel where you can guarantee your dreams will come true. You know what to do. Click the link in the description right now, leave your contact information, and start your YouTube money hackers journey with me. I'll be waiting for you. And now, I want to share with you guys the results of my students who already finished the course and hacked YouTube with me.
Hi, it's Ralph.
I'm Elizabeth.
Hi, I'm Alex.
It's Sophie.
I was trained on the Hack YouTube by Mike Ross.
And I can safely say that I've hacked YouTube.
Almost $6,000. This is how much I earned on my 3 channels over the past month.
Already brings me more than $100 a day.
And in just 2 months, I got to 11,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel.
And only thing I regret that I didn't buy this course earlier.
Mike, I am immensely grateful to you for changing my life for the better.
Now let's get back to our strategy. If you're looking for more interesting and original music, you can utilize the Fiverr platform. Simply go to fiverr.com and enter meditation in the search box. You'll find a vast selection of tracks available for purchase at $5. While there are more expensive options, even with a $5 budget, you can discover a wide range of music choices. Consider that if your video generates approximately $100 a month, that $5 investment will pay for itself multiple times over. And most importantly, that video will continue to generate income for you. Now that you're familiar with a simple 4-step strategy of earning money on YouTube, you have the tools to start your journey towards success. If you enjoy making money by creating simple videos from other people's content, then I recommend watching my video on how you can earn up to $10,000 per month on a confession channel. Click on the prompt in the corner of the screen. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on new videos featuring the most profitable income strategies with YouTube. Also, don't forget to like this video so that you can easily find it whenever you want to revisit and remember all of the valuable money-making tips that I've shared with you. This was Mike Ross. Watch my videos, grow, and become wealthy. Wishing you success and happy YouTube hacker days. Peace out.